Welcome to Animal a Day. Quick Chartreux cat facts. The French monk cat. 1. Chartreux cats are uncommon prize cats popular in France. 2. Chartreux cats can only be a silvery gray color called blue for some reason. Their eyes are always shades of yellow and orange. 3. Though the breed has been in France for centuries, it's thought its true origins lay closer to the Middle East. Wild mountainous cats in that region were most likely their ancestors. 4. Stories say that eventually they were brought to France and became synonymous with the Chartreusian order of monks. The monks bred them and named the breed after the alcohol they produced. 5. The way their jaws are shaped makes it look like they're always smiling. They might be the true Cheshire Cats. 6. Chartreux cats have a weird quirk compared to other breeds. They very rarely meow or make any vocalizations. This could be due to part of the monk legend that states they were selectively bred so they wouldn't disturb meditation. 7. They are calm and loving cats that love being around their people. They often adore attention, unlike other cat breeds. 8. They look similar to British Shorthairs, but have a few differences. British Shorthairs have a wider range of eye colors, and their fur length and texture is completely different from Chartreux cats. 9. The coats of Chartreux cats are a double layer of water-resistant woolly fur. And 10. The breed made it to America in 1971, but before that it almost went extinct during World War II. Breeding was put to a halt and their numbers were falling. After the war, they had to be mixed with other breeds like Persians to save them. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.